They weren't playing. God.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, man, I'm kind of in a rush. I'm on my way up here to try to get my oil changed real quick. Y'all not gonna believe the percentage my oil is on, bro. Y'all, I'm gonna show y'all this real quick. Hold on. 7%, bro. And I'm just now noticing it. So I'm on my way up here now, try to get this, to try to get my oil changed. I just called them. They told me if I can get up there by 4 o'clock, they can, you know, they can take care of it. So I'm rushing up here now, man, to try to get my oil changed. Now, usually I'll wait until the car tells me to get my oil changed. But ever since I got the 6.4, I told myself I wasn't gonna wait this long to get my oil changed. I'm pretty sure my engine is fine. I mean, they put these daggone oil change lights and stuff on these cars for a reason. So I'm pretty sure the car's okay. But I want y'all to leave a comment. Let me know, when do y'all get y'all oil changed? Do you wait for the light to come on? Or do you change it at a certain percentage? In my RT, I would just wait until the light come on, till the oil change light come on. And I never had any problems, never had the Hemi tick, none of that stuff. I'm about to pull in here, man. I'll turn this camera back on once I get it in the dealership. I think they got a SCATPACK in here, so we're gonna see what they got. And that security update, do y'all have that? The security update? You ain't heard nothing about it? I got I'm in the mail saying that security update was available.
Yeah, for the driver door module?
Nah, it's the alarm system.
It's the driver door module.
Oh, that's what it is? Oh, okay. You don't have it?
It's a program.
It's programmed? Okay. So how does that work? How do I get it?
You gotta make an appointment.
Oh, okay, okay.
So you have to believe it before I even get it in.
Right, gotcha. There was also, I brought my car in not too long ago about the clicking sound in the wheels. It was supposed to be like a recall. Is there an update on that?
No, there's no recalls on it.
Please don't be bored.
Nothing, so they not doing nothing about it?
Nope, not yet.
Okay. What's up? Look, they got in the showroom. SCATPACK. Hey, what's up, man? This junk nice. What's up, man? It's just like mine. Just like my car. So this got the red guts. Yep. Just like mine. Those name got the Hellcat wheels. Yep. This is nice. Yep. Just like mine. Stick on 58. I think I saw it online for 55. TRX. Oh, that's open. Let me finally get to sit in one of these joints. See if I can get up in here. Jeez. They got the seat all the way up. Yeah, this joint nice, man. Yeah. I could definitely see myself in this. This joint nice. They definitely should put this screen in the Charger. Yeah, this joint hidden. This would be nice in the new Chargers. They can make the interior this nice like this. They can do the new Chargers like this. Yeah, man. What's the stick on this? 73 TRX. That's not bad, bro. Unless they got a mock-up on it. Yeah, this is nice. This John hidden. That man got the hood done. That's tight right there, bro. I ain't never seen that before. This John hidden. Somebody car. I don't know if you follow my channel, but man, your John like that. Yeah, this John nice. Yeah. E6. See if they got any other jumps out here. They got this Polaris out here though. You can ride around that jump. I ain't know they service these. That's crazy. That's it, man. I don't see nothing else in this drink. No charges. That green Jones the only one I saw. Oh, there was somebody. Rango. Some got the big wheels on. Mopar Legacy. I think they're part of Grizzly Marty crew. Got that John alright. John alright. That John hit. Dang, they're gonna just do it right here. They weren't playing. They got this John right out here. They not even taking that John in the back. They doing it right here. That's crazy. They're doing up in there. Sound good. Get out of the damn way. I think I gotta go pay for this joint now. Alright guys, so we got the whip back. Think we good to go. I'm happy like a kid at the candy store. Finally got my oil changed. Yes indeed. 100%. That don't say 100%. So everything good to go. See something. You know you gotta check this stuff, man, because these bounds. Yeah, I'm 100% of oil. So my tire pressure is still. I don't know if the Bama did my tire pressure like they supposed to. But yeah, guys, I don't recommend letting your oil get down that low, bro. I was a little annoyed. I was gonna try to wait till the weekend. And when I work weekends, I work this weekend, so I was like, man, I don't really have no time to even get my oil changed, bro. So that's why I had to make this happen. Luckily, they went on and got me in, got me out. And then they said the car's in excellent condition. Did a little inspection on it, ain't got no issues. And I talked to the advisor. When I talked to one of the salesmen, he was telling me about that black SCATPACK they got in the showroom. He's saying a guy was trying to get it for $52,000. He was like, man, that car gonna be at least $59,000. I said, golly. He asked me how much I got mine for out the door. I told him $51,000, which is what I got it for. He was like, man, that's a heck of a steal. He was like, you should hold on to that car. He said, keep the mileage down. He said, man, I might be able to get all my money back. He said, because right now with the chip shortage, he said, they're not really getting no cars right now. So he's like, if you got one, you need to hold on to it. So I'm telling y'all, hold on to your Scat or your Hellcat, unless you just need the money or whatever, which is understandable, or if you just want something else. But he was like, man, hold on to it, or if you trade it in, you can get some money for it. But they don't have no cars, as y'all saw. There's no cars on the lot. Yeah, got my baby back rolling. So if you're new to my channel, man, hit the like button, subscribe. Y'all heard what they said about the update. Also about the clicking. They said they ain't even doing nothing about that right now. You know what I'm saying? They probably, like I say, Dodge focus on the daggone those EVs, man. They ain't thinking about these daggone cars. But I'm gonna ask my dealer, because like I say, my information is in the system for the recall for the clicking noise. And if you just getting a wide body, definitely take your car back to the dealership if you experiencing the clicking noise, so they can put you in the system. So it's something, so they got it on record just in case something happened, you can get it covered under warranty. And that's why I always take my cars to the dealership to get my oil changed. Anything dealing with my motor, the car's going to the dealership while it's under warranty. I'm not changing my own oil. I'm not going to no off-brand rinky-dink oil change place. I'm not doing that. If you gotta take your car to blow a rinky-dink oil change places, then you don't need to have it. That's how I feel. I only paid $58 for my oil change. $58. You mean tell me you pay $50,000, $60,000 for a car, you can't pay $58 for an oil change? You got to be kidding me, bro. Because you know people always talk about the dealership charge too much. Them days are way over. And if you're driving a car like this, you want to take it to the dealership and get the oil change. I don't care what nobody says. If something happened, it's a track record that your car was at the dealership, and Dodge will look out for you if something go wrong later on down the line, like they did with my RT. And if you're new to my channel, I'm gonna leave a link to that video. My drive shaft went out in my RT, and it was way past warranty. I had 80-something thousand miles on it. Dodge fixed it for free. All I had to do was pay the deductible, which was like $100, and they fixed my drive shaft for free because I had a record of my car going to the dealership every time I had service done to it. They looked at it as if it was their fault. You know what I'm saying? And they covered it. So, but I ain't gonna talk y'all to death, man. I just figured I'd make a video about this experience, man. Me driving this car on 7% oil, which is ridiculous. Never do it. So if this is your first time on my channel, man, hit the like button, subscribe, and like I said, leave your comments, man. Let me know when y'all, matter of fact, I'm about to go wash my car, bro. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this into a full evening with my SCATPACK. But I ain't gonna hold y'all, man. I know y'all don't want to see me wash my car. You know, see, I don't wash this car. I wash this car that if this is the first time on my channel, man, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.